Good morning, Brian here. Welcome back to Bangkok Musings. So today I've come to the Royal Thai Airforce Museum. I want to show you guys the type of airplanes Thailand used to use way back. Well, this place was opened in 1952. So join me as I take you around. We're gonna go down through history. We're gonna see all these airplanes they used to have and everything. So if you're an aviation fanatic, this is the place to be. To get here is really easy. This place is located right behind the Don Mueang Airport. But now thanks to the BTS having been opened, it's really easy. You just get off at the Royal Thai Airforce Museum and it's like a 2-minute walk from the station. Not 2 minutes walk, actually 1 minute walk. And it doesn't cost anything. Entry here is free of charge for everyone, even locals, foreigners, it's free of charge for everyone. So this is what you see when you step into the museum first thing. Of course, that's not a real pilot. So over here you have the map of Thailand and probably the bases, Air Force bases all over. This is the information desk. No one is here right now, probably on a bathroom break, but they usually have some booklets which you can keep. They don't have it now, maybe because of COVID. Tiger. Over here you have the F-16. Really cool fighter jet, if I might say. So this is the F-5A. Gunners, bullets. So this place has been changed around since the last time I was here. I've already been here 2 times. And because I remember when I was here last, as soon as you come in, there was lots of toy models. I think it's undergone some sort of renovation or something. But basically they're talking about all the development of the Thaiairforce from inception, development and advancement. So over here they have some like little tiny models, I guess, of all the airplanes they've ever had. Sorry if I might be going too fast, but if you want to read through, kindly feel free to pause the video, then you can check out all the information. It's pretty much a very informative museum if you ask me. They have the section for advancements, what they've improved on over the years. Called the Paripatra. airplane. So this one's interesting. So this museum really does have some nice looking, amazing, others are like funny looking airplanes. Like this one, for example, this one behind me. It looks like an egg, so to speak, both from the front and then the back. Interesting. But I just came out of the plane's butt. I find this interesting that I'm able to come into such a installation without any prior like notice. I didn't request anyone to come here, as compared to in my own country. They never ever let any foreigners go into any military installation. Never. But here I am, a foreigner in Thailand, checking out their aircrafts, and no one is like concerned on what I'm doing or why I'm here. I think I like it here. I do. Now a bit. So I think they have more than 100 planes over here. I'll do more. I'll do a confirmation on that, but I think they have more than 100 planes here, from the oldest to some of like at least modern looking airplanes. So that concludes my tour of this museum. If you like the content, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I guess I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye bye.